Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this time the Pancakeswap price is going positive, and personally this time it's a really good news for me, and I'm feeling very good. How hope do you also feeling good about Pancakeswap, my friends? I can't believe that what's going on in this time in the cryptocurrencies market now. It is time the Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, all cryptocurrencies is going positive. So I'm very happy today, my friends. Today is a good day. Today is a very good day, my friends, for me. The Pancakeswap last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week price change. So when the Pancakeswap is going positive, and absolutely after changes is going positive, so this means that the price is start increasing. 13.74% price change so in the Pancakeswap. That's the USD dollar price of the Pancakeswap, and the market rank of the cake coin in this time is 40. 40 is the market rank of the Pancakeswap in the market. Let me show you more about the Pancakeswap, my friends, on the price chart. Oh my god, it's my friends, you can see here that in the April month, and the price the Pancakeswap starting jumping, but now in the May the price of Pancakeswap is going faster and faster and faster, and still I think that the 2 months the price of the Pancakeswap is fast, but now at this time the situation is going good. And absolutely, my friends, I'm sure that Pancakeswap is at this time start pumping, and absolutely they will continue this pump for a long time. That will give you profit. Anyways, how do you feel today about Pancakeswap? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, it's time to hold, and I believe that they will continue this pump. Oh my goodness, you can see the price is falling from 43.74 USD dollar to 13 USD dollar. Absolutely, my friends, I'm sure that they can again hit 43 USD dollar very soon, but you have to only hold. You have to only hold. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.